Yeah, you must realize that things. The whole of the island them lock up through the COVID. And the man them and get it. Trinidad lock up, Jamaica lock up. People getting mad. Carnival, where is the people leaders? All of the singers, you too quiet. You not say a thing. I talk to the government. Talk to the government. Make the people leaders. You say something. How are you from Marshall? How are you from Benjai? How are you from Benjai? How are you from Bungie? People leaders, too quiet. People leaders, too quiet. How are you from my George? How are you from my George? Trinidad, lock up. No shows keeping. People have to stay inside after certain hours. They cannot be outside. Them sit they COVID. Have them inside. Enough people, them have to run and hide. With the people's leaders. Benjai, with the people's leaders. Bunjigal, with the people's leaders. Marshall Montana, I don't hear them saying nothing. The place lock up, the place lock up, the place lock up. Nobody come outside with the people's leaders. Not saying nothing. Where is Benjai? Where is Ivan George?